Hand screw clamps are useful for holding small objects at a drill press, but it can be difficult to grip round objects like dowels. Adding a second clamp at a 90-degree angle solves this problem. Of course, this works best if your dowel is at least as long as the combined thickness of the two clamps. Another solution that will work with even shorter stock is to cut notches in 2 scraps of wood and then use double-sided tape to attach them to the inside of your clamp's jaws. As long as the notches align and they're square to the sides of the clamp's jaws, you'll be able to hold your dowel or any other cylindrical object perpendicular with a single clamp. Rockler Woodworking and Hardware is simply a great company. They spend hundreds of thousands of dollars every year to support the online woodworking community and to help preserve this craft we love for future generations. I hope you return the favor by visiting their website using the link below this video. Wait, don't go yet. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember to ring the bell. I would really appreciate that. Give us a thumbs up, or better yet, leave us a comment. I always read them. And be sure to check out the latest issue of Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. It's always packed with tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker.